Now we're diving into pickling. It's a fun and flavorful way to preserve veggies, and today we're pickling carrots. First, wash your carrots thoroughly. We want them clean. Next, peel the carrots. This step ensures a smooth texture for our pickled carrots. Slice your carrots into sticks or rounds, whichever you prefer. It's time to make the pickling brine. Start with 1 cup of white vinegar poured into a pot. Add 1 cup of water to the vinegar. This dilutes the acidity, making it perfect for pickling. Measure 1 tablespoon of sugar into the liquid. Sugar helps balance the vinegar's sharpness. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to bring out the flavor and aid in preservation. Heat the brine on medium heat until the sugar and salt dissolve completely. Add 1 teaspoon of dill to the brine for a classic pickle flavor. Include 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. They provide a subtle, tangy taste. Finally, 1 clove of minced garlic delivers an extra kick. Fill your sanitized jars with the sliced carrots. Pack them snugly, but leave some space at the top for the brine. Cover the carrots with the hot brine. Seal the jars with the lids and let them cool to room temperature. The pickling process will continue as they cool. Be sure to label your jars with the pickling date so you know when you made these tasty pickled carrots. Pickling is not just delicious, it's also a great way to extend the shelf life of your vegetables. Enjoy these tangy, crunchy pickled carrots in salads, sandwiches, or snacks. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of preserving vegetables. We hope you found these methods helpful and easy to try at home. And if you've got some cool tips or questions, please drop a comment below. Your insights and experiences are what make this community awesome. If you liked this video, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Your support keeps these videos coming. Stay tuned for more delightful and practical guides on sustainable living. See you next time.